Oh,
That's what it says.
that ain't good. Oh no! Oh no!
You,
Everybody, put your hands up.
you mind us checking up inside?
Oh, I mean, I'm just doing a little construction work here. I mean,
Can we come inside? Would you mind stepping out first so we'd do it
oh,
safely?
am I in trouble there, boys?
No,
Or
you're not being
No,
you're
no,
not in
no,
trouble.
no.
am I being detained or something
No,
there,
no, no,
boys?
no, no, no.
Well, if you step outside, you will be detained, but that's temporarily.
Oh,
You're not arrested. You will be detained,
no,
though.
that's
Yeah,
not
we
good.
won't even search you, sir.
Excuse me?
This is for our safety.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
won't
we
even
just
search you,
detain you
sir.
for
We
your
just,
safety.
yeah.
We trying to see if other people inside are safe
Whoa,
too.
do
Yeah,
you
we don't need
do
to
you
search you at
search
all,
me
sir.
or
No,
No,
we
we're
don't
not
need to search
searching
you,
you
sir.
at all.
what? But so why you need to detain me there?
It's just so we can
Just
check the store and
Everybody's
for our
safety,
safety.
man.
Because what if you're outside, right? All three of us go in, and you pull out a gun and shoot us in the back,
Oh, like a
Boom.
gun. Oh
right?
no.
I'm just saying you wouldn't do that, but that could happen, right?
I mean,
That's why we
if
gotta
you
put you in
want,
cuffs.
like you're gonna sit me in the back of the car or something. I just don't like being cuffed for something I know I didn't go there.
So it's just for people's safety. Would you mind
Don't
stepping
mind
out?
the camera. This is for my safety as well. It's for
Oh
my safety
yeah,
as
we
well.
understand, sir. We got heavy ammunition right now, cause like I
I
said,
mean,
we got a
look,
phone
who's
call.
in danger? I'm in danger. You're the
Yeah,
boys
I know.
with all the firearms
wanna
and
save
the
you, sir.
bulletproof vests.
No, we came like this, sir, cause like I said, we got a phone call of armed robbery, sir.
No robbery.
Yep, yep.
I mean, I just been here working 9 to 5,
All
trying
right.
to make a living. That's it.
Yes, yep. How many people you got in there?
People. It's
Yeah,
just-
like you got any
it's
workers
just
with
me
you, or
here
is it just you?
working. My partner, he's out to get some more lumber to fix the
Okay.
framing of this door here. And that's it. I'm just here by myself.
Okay, yeah, then we can just go ahead and make this fast if you step out for us.
Sir, I don't mind stepping out, but I just don't want to be detained. I mean, I did nothing to work. I'm working here hard. I mean,
Yeah,
this is
no, I mean I
crazy.
get that,
This
but
is
sir, it has to be for
This
safety.
is against my rights,
Sir, you're at the location
rights,
of a
don't you know?
tripped alarm, so I mean it could be getting
All
robbed,
right,
sir,
sir.
or it could be a false alarm. Would you like to step
I
out?
mean,
Though?
I can show you the contract for my construction permit here that I got.
If you're not
Sir,
staying out there,
yeah.
we're not
John,
complaining about
Papi,
your
I
account.
don't
Yep,
want to go in cuffs, Papi. I
Okay,
don't
sir.
like that.
Okay, sir. Look, we're gonna break it down to you like this.
I can't hear you, Papi. Get a little closer.
Get that ready.
Excuse me, Papi.
Said if you don't come outside and we detain
297, 297.
If I don't, I can't hear you. Gotta get a little closer here. All right.
hear me
What'd
now?
you say, Papi?
you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you now, Papa.
I said if you don't come outside and let us detain you, we're gonna come inside and detain you. What do you think?
Oh, is this a good cop, bad cop? You the bad cop?
What happened?
Oh!
What's the postal?
Oh, sir! Why you
Officer, what's the postal again?
297.
297.
Papa, I just see a big said a dog. I say, hey, my dog. Oh, shit.
Well, coming in, sir. I'll go non-lethal. Wait for shots fired, and then I'll blow my gun. Did he shoot? Did he shoot?
I believe there's a shots fired.
I'm gonna push in. I'm gonna push me on the shelf. If he shoots at me, just get him.
Alrighty.
Shots fired.
Man down, man down, man down.
Don't see the light.
Oh, young man. You're a young man.
We can't search his bag, right?
Nope.
Alright.
Go ahead and
Damn,
search
sir.
him, though.
No, I got it down. We won this time. We won.